Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about this system is a contribution from giving the co-founder of Ethereum other cryptocurrency.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and
Giving an other cryptocurrency of Polkadot coin.
find this fast attempt.
Better
I'll show you.
I aim to make this cryptocurrency of
Guys, I've told you that if the resistance of the fast attempt is
framework for existing blockchain to more actually interact with actor. With a multi-chain with network, Polkadot makes it easy for developers to create a decentralized system that makes the cryptocurrency mining process more organized and inexpensive. This is different from the Bitcoin network or network that operates alone. Polkadot was actually created by the Web3 Foundation and Parity Technology signed 2001 Polkadot condensed its first eco or in Italy coin offering in October 2001. At the time the Polkadot is ECO was only thousand to nine US dollar with 2 to 4 million token of other.
You are anticipating you had already fast talk.
However, the use of a multi-chain network system in May 2000 to 2000 increased its value in the cryptocurrency market. Polkadot second ECO in July 2000 2009. Polkadot price per token to 1 US dollar. Like other cryptocurrency, Polkadot coin also has the small unit of division salad the planks.
We want the market to react. So where is our neckline? Our neckline is this.
Also red, check the
So our neckline very well. So we just come here and write neckline like that. So our neckline is where we have said if you want to hit TP after you have gotten all the confirmation, our TP is this zone. Don't target more than this. So let's play and see what happens when the market starts approaching our second zone. So even you can write, for me I write second attempt of second top, whichever you want. You can say second attempt stroke second top. For you to be this was first attempt, first top. So for you to be alert. So we are waiting for second attempt and we have said we don't want the body to break. So we are waiting and the market has touched it has touched the zone. So we are very close, we are closing our fingers not to the market not to break, and you can see it is almost breaking. We don't know if it will break. It is almost breaking. You can see even the body is very huge. Now let's see what happens the next candle. You can see this candle is what I'm saying. Guys, if you see such candle in a double top, these are bearish engulfing candle. There is no need of waiting or I'm not sure it will really breakout. Guys, if you see a bearish engulfing candle on a zone like this, we are entering sell immediately. So here we come, we put short position, and now we are targeting what? We are targeting to the neckline. I've told you our target is the neckline. Stop loss is above that high, and now we wait and see. Let's see what happens. So the market is pushing down, going to our neckline, and it is easy as just waiting for the market to hit your T. and you can see the market hit our TP very, very well. Very, very well. So guys, what I can tell you is that the minute
There
the
are
market
advantages
has,
in the polkadot coin system which are very extensive in cryptocurrency
you
trading.
look for bearish engulfing.
Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on bell. Thank you.